Hey everybody. So Comet C 2025 A6 Lemmon was discovered last January 3rd, I believe, by the Mount Lemmon survey. And today, we are in mid-October. I'm going to try to image that comet with my little VJ rig, except I'm going to switch out my 300mm lens for something a little bit wider. Let me see if I can, here we go, grab my other lens. So I want to use my Rokinon lens, which worked really well right about the same time last year on Comet Tsuchinshin Atlas. Now I haven't had all that much experience imaging comets. In fact, Tsuchinshin Atlas was the second comet that I had imaged, and I think it turned out really well with this lens. So let's try for that again. So one of the cool things I want to do this time is, in addition to imaging in broadband, I want to see what it's like to shoot a comet using a light pollution filter. And for that, I'm going to be using the OPTOLONG QUAD, but I'm also going to be imaging in full broadband using my UV IR cut filter. That's provided that the clouds clear before the comet sets. There it is. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this shoot with the OPTOLONG for a little bit, and then I'm going to change over to the UV IR cut, and we'll see what we have. All right, so far so good. I ran through about 10 minutes of pictures, and I wasn't quite happy with my focus, so I readjusted the focus and I restarted the imaging plan for another 10 minutes with some dithering enabled, so that's taking a little bit longer. But I'm hoping that that's going to be done soon. I'm going to switch over from the OPTOLONG QUAD to the UV IR cut filter, and I should have enough time to do the same thing. Once that's done, I'm going to take some flats with both the OPTOLONG and the UV IR so that I can process all of the images properly afterwards. Okay, I've got all of my OPTOLONG images done. I'm going to switch over to the UV IR cut filter. Sounds like we've got some coyotes in them fields. Okay, I think that's it. So, got my flats, I've got my lights, both using the UV IR cut and the OPTOLONG QUAD light pollution filter. And all I have to do now is process all these images. I'm going to post them to the end of this video. Well, the results surprised me. The OPTOLONG seems to have enhanced the natural colors of the comet and taken care of a lot of the light pollution that is present in the UV IR cut version of the image. The light pollution of the downtown core was creating gradients that the UV IR cut filter had a hard time cutting through. even with my UPPD mat flats. So there you go. You can absolutely image comets with the OPTOLONG QUAD filter, and your image should turn out quite well, at least if you're using a camera similar to my ASI294MC Pro. So thanks for sticking around, and until next time, clear skies.